Hello folks and welcome back. Now today we're going to talk about lists. Lists are a very cool way that you can put lots of pieces of data into one variable and have them organised. So how does it work? Well, firstly we type a name for our list. So I'm going to call my list, which is very logical, I'm sure you'd agree. Then equals. Now the quick way to create a list, guys, is to use square brackets, and then you can put as many integers or strings or floats in here as we wish. I'm going to do number state integer variables, so 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 8. Okay, so I've got a nice list there. This program has now got 6 variables inside one. Pretty sweet, huh? So if I was to see them all, I could just type print brackets my list. Or if I wanted to get a bit advanced, I could say I want to print one of these numbers. I want to print the first number. Now, as we learnt in loops last time, computers start counting not from 1, but from 0. So 2 will be the 0th number in the list. So print, and then I'm going to type my list, and then 0. Okay, so let's see what this produces. Run it, and hopefully the first one, print my list, well, that's produced this list here, but print my list 0 will give me 2. If I said print my list 2, what will that give me? That will give me 1, because 0, 1, 2. So it's all there, it's all organised. It comes out nicely. Now these are variables, so of course I can change them in pretty much the same way. So let's say I will say my list 2. Let's do 0, keep it simple, is now equal to 9. Why? I don't know, just fancy saying 9 really. And then I say print my list again. I wonder what's going to happen. Well, let's press play and find out. So play. Oh, here we are. We have now changed the variable around. So guys, that was all of this video. It's quite short and sweet, I know. You've now found a way to make a single variable and put lots of different values after it. And we've also, guys, found a way to change variables and to address every value in here. We're going to learn more about this next time. Thank you for watching, and talk to you